So it's time to know a little bit more about TeePublic. But ones may wonder, what does TeePublic even do? No worries, I got your back as always. And by the end of this video, you'll have the answers for almost all of the important questions when it comes to TeePublic. And guys, if by any chance you liked my content, then I'll be glad if you subscribe to my channel, as it'll motivate me to keep pushing new videos. So without further ado, let's start. TeePublic is actually pretty similar to the business model of Spreadshirt, where the website handles the process of connecting designers who publish their designs on apparel products with the buyers who are looking for unique printed shirts and other printable products. But the only difference is that TeePublic profitability to its sellers is much more than any other platform. And the reason behind this is pretty simple. It's because of the market saturation of TeePublic is still low and acceptable. So when a seller publish, let's say 100 designs, he'll have a chance of having a sale over 3 to 4%. Which is unbelievably high compared to the other print-on-demand platforms. The first time the internet heard of TeePublic was in 2011. But not everybody knows the fact that TeePublic is actually owned by Redbubble. So yeah, you can say it's being managed by a company holders who know how things really work. Now moving on to a deeper look into its business model. TeePublic model is mainly dependent on the idea of being the middleman, where it provides a huge variety of products for its sellers to use, where sellers upload their design and choose which product to sell with that design on them. And by the way, TeePublic provides over 85 different products with over 400 variants to sell on your store. And when it comes to buyers, they'll have all of those products I mentioned earlier, but with catchy designs on them. And once an order is placed, TeePublic takes care of the printing and order handling and shipping. Yes guys, it's as simple as that. So with that said, let's move on to pricing details and how much profit can sellers end up with. On TeePublic, we have the main TeePublic marketplace only, with no option to create another separated store as the case in Spreadshirt. The standard payment system for the marketplace of Spreadshirt is based on fixed commissions only, where the seller cannot decide the price of the products he publish. Only TeePublic does. And once sales start kicking in, the seller get a fixed commission based on two factors, which are based on the type of the purchase, whether it's a regular purchase or a sale purchase. Typically, the average commission ranges between $3 to $5 per sale, but I'll leave you the link to the official commissions guide published by TeePublic. And so far, that is all the needed details you should know when it comes to payments. Hope you guys following along. So let's jump into the main products that do well when it comes to sales. We got various products, but some of the best are the following, according to TeePublic of course. So make sure to include them in any of your designs publishing process. Now let's answer the most asked question. How much money do TeePublic sellers make on average? And fortunately, I have good news for this one. Sellers who have keep on publishing new designs every month tend to have a conversion rate over 3%, which is somewhere around $150 to $500 a month. And of course it builds up as long as the seller is consistently uploading new designs. And if you want more good news, listen to this. You do not need to hire artists at all, cause most of the designs that attract sales are only text-based designs, with zero graphics involved. So you can easily get 20 to 30 text designs done each day, even without a software. Canva.com will do the trick and more. And guys, if you ever needed an organic way to attract more traffic to your print-on-demand business, I've made a fully detailed video on how to promote your products without a single dollar, even though the video was for promoting merch by Amazon. But the process is still the same for nearly all sectors of e-commerce. So give it a look and hope it leverage your business up. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope it benefits you on the long run. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.